Have you ever go to shopping malls? Park your car and go shopping. But suddenly, urban areas, especially malls, face challenges in managing parking during sudden flash floods, which can damage vehicles and disrupt business operations. Rising waters can trap vehicles, damage property, and endanger both customers and employees who may struggle to find safety amidst swift currents, debris, and other hazards. This highlights the need for proactive measures, such as efficient drainage systems, high ground parking options, and public education on emergency responses. Early warning systems and collaborative efforts between malls and local authorities are essential to minimize risks and ensure safety during such unpredictable natural disasters. The anti-flood parking system addresses this by using water-level sensors and an elevation mechanism to lift vehicles above rising floodwaters. Developed with Arduino IDE for coding and Tinkercad for 3D prototyping, the system provides real-time alerts and proactive flood management. This innovative solution minimizes damage, ensures vehicle safety, and offers a smoother shopping experience, making it a valuable addition to flood-prone urban areas. To promise a calm and worry-free shopping experience. To develop advanced flood monitoring systems and improve infrastructure like flood-resistant parking, to ensure quick recovery during flash flood events, particularly in high-risk areas such as mall parking lots, to develop a comprehensive flood preparedness plan that enhances safety and minimizes property damage. The Anti-Flood Parking System Support SDG 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. SDG 9 focuses on building resilient infrastructure, promoting sustainable industrialization, and fostering innovation. Anti-flood parking systems strengthen parking infrastructure, making it resilient to floods and extreme weather conditions caused by climate change. Such systems reduce economic losses by protecting vehicles and critical infrastructure during natural disasters, contributing to safer and more sustainable cities. When water level rises to 2 centimeter level or above, the system will send an alert to the users, and when the water level rises to 3 centimeter level or above, the motor will activate and lift the car's platform slowly, raising the car to the safe level and prevent it from being submerged by the water. Once the water level already drops, we can lift down the car's platform to the default position by pushing the limit switches, making the motor rotate counterclockwise. This design guarantees the safety of the car during floods at the shopping mall while providing a reliable and automated recovery process once the water clears.